Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. When it comes to slope-intercept form, there's only two letters that will be replaced with numbers. The one letter that will be replaced with a number is the letter M, and the other one is the letter B. So only these two letters will be replaced with numbers. So we're going to have to learn how to find the numbers or what they mean. When it comes to meaning, let's see, the letter M. The letter M is the rate of change. Rate of change is the slope. This is also where the equation gets the name from, right? It's a slope. The letter B stands for y-intercept. That's why the word intercept. So B is y-intercept. Now let's go over the meaning of these letters a little bit deeper. When I say slope, slope is literally how steep the line is. The line can go either up, so when I read slope, I always go left to right. So this way I know the line goes up, so the slope is very positive. Now sometimes the slope can go also down, right? So it will be the steepness of the line will be negative because I go from right to left, and that means I'm going down. So slope, when I say slope, the steepness of the slope is rise over run. Rise is literally up or down. I'm following the y-axis. So rise talks about the y-axis, and that goes up or down. Run is literally the x-axis, and if you paid attention earlier, I said it's either positive slope if I go left to right, or a negative slope, right, if I look at the line left to right. So I like to say our run is always to the right. So slope is there's only one way, and we're going to talk about it's going to be only the right way for now. So M is the slope, which is rise over run, y over x. Also, we're going to name our slope change in y. In y over change in x. When I say change, change means how is y changing, right? So I'm going to take usually the second y, subtract the first y. So we say y2 minus y1 over, take the second x, subtract from it the first x, x2 minus x1. So all these are different representations of slope. So my slope, my M, that's the letter for slope. It's the steepness of the line, which is rise over run, y over x, change in y over change in x. And when we say change, we take always the second y, y2 minus y1, over, take the second x, subtract the first x, x2 minus x1. Now let's look at our y-intercept a little bit deeper as well. Y-intercept also, when I talk about it, is my initial value. The initial value is my starting point, or we also say where the line crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to put this in here. Where the line crosses the y-axis. we just said earlier, it is the beginning, right? The beginning or the initial value. Or the beginning. All this is what B represents. All that is the Y value.